This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Harbour. Large 2-bedroom home. 2 full bath and 1 half bath. Great for someone that needs separate living areas and bedrooms. Private area. AC and air handler replaced in 2017. Dishwasher replaces in 2019. Microwave replaced in 2020. Vinyl siding, large carport, deck on entry level, lower level has patio and workshop area. Kitchen with breakfast bar and dining table. Lots of cabinets. Large living room with another dining area. Stone fireplaces both levels. Huge den, bedroom and bath downstairs. For more information, review the details below or contact Harbour at 501-204